Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with the exercise 16.2 in which we are going to study today the area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is base into height. Like this is a parallelogram given to you. In this, base is this and the height is going to be this. Okay, height means always making an angle of 90 degree along with the base. So the area of the parallelogram is base into height. Now on the basis of this, let us start with the question. In the first question, only rectangle and square is given to you. This is rectangle, rectangle and square. Area of rectangle is length into breadth and the area of square is side into side. So on the basis of this, let us start with the questions. You have to find the area. Now this is a rectangle given to you and these are the measurements given to you. This is 8 and this is 3. Length is 3, breadth is 8. Now in the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So if this is 3, this will also be 3. If this is 8, this will also be 8. And what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Length into breadth means 3 into 8. Now this is also meters, this is also meters. So that means I am going to multiply meter with the meters and it will come out to be meter square. So this is 3 into 8. 8 is a 24 meter square. Okay. Now let us move to the second one. This is a square. The side is 12 centimeters. And what is the area of square? That means side square. What is the side given? 12 centimeters. 12 centimeter square means I am going to multiply this 12 centimeter twice. Now this centimeter, when you are going to multiply twice, this is going to give you centimeter into centimeter, which is centimeter square. So I'm going to keep it here, centimeter square, centimeter square. And 12, when I'm going to multiply 2 times, it will give me 144. So the answer of this is going to be 144 centimeter square. Please take care of the units. Okay, now let's move to C part. In this rectangle is there, again length and breadth, you have to find the area, length into breadth. Answer will come 75 centimeter square. Length is 15, breadth is 5. Again, D part you will be doing by yourself. Now let us do question number 3. Question number 2 we will be doing afterwards. We have to do that in the book. Now firstly, let us do question number 3. Find the missing elements of the following parallelograms based on the information provided. Now what is the information provided given to you is, A part is area of a parallelogram is given to you, base is given and you have to find the height. Now if you know what is the area of the parallelogram, which is base into height, keep the values of it. Area of a parallelogram is 121.5 meters square. Base value of the base is 16.2, multiply by height. You have to find the value of this height. When these two are in multiply with each other, 16.2 will go to the other side and divide. Okay, so this is here, only height is left. And when you are going to solve this, 1215 upon 162.5. Now what you are going to do is, to remove this decimal, you are going to multiply in the numerator with 10 because this decimal is in the denominator. If the decimal is in the denominator, multiply in the numerator. If the decimal is the numerator, multiply it with the denominator. Okay, so that's why I have multiplied 10 in the numerator. You can cancel these two, and this was also 121.5. This was also 0.5. So to remove this decimal, after decimal 1 digit is there. So that means in the denominator you are going to multiply by 10. Cancel these two. Cancel these two on this table of 3, 54, and this will go on 405. You are going to divide 405 by 54. Answer you will be getting is 7.5 meters. This will be the height. Okay, so this is your first part. Now let's do the next one, B part. In the B part, area is given to you 395 centimeters square, height is given and you have to find the base. Now again, this is given the area of a parallelogram given, which is base into height. Area of parallelogram is 395. Height is given 12.5. Place the value of this at the place of height 12.5 and you have to find the base. Now when these two are in multiply with each other, so this 12.5 will go on the other side and divide. This will come out to be 395 upon 12.5. Now this decimal is in the denominator. After the decimal, 1 digit is there. So to remove this decimal, I am going to multiply in the numerator with 10. You are going to cancel these. Let us cancel these two on the table of 5. 5 twos are, and this will go on 25. And now I can cancel these two again on the table of 5. 5 fives are 25. 7 79. So 79 into 2 is going to give you 158 upon 5, which will be 31.6 meters. So this is going to be the base. Okay, so these are the calculations I have done for you. Next, C part you will try by yourself. The same concept. Area of a parallelogram is already given to you. Base value is also given. You have to find the height. Okay, you will try this question by yourself. And the last D part also you will be trying by yourself. Okay, now let us do question number 4. In this question 4, you have to find the perimeter and area of the parallelogram. Now in this you have to find two things. First is the perimeter and the second is area. Perimeter we have done in exercise 16.1. How to find the perimeter? That means sum of all sides. And what is the perimeter of a parallelogram? If you are going to see in the figure in the book, if you will see this figure, if this is 48, the opposite side will also be 48. If this is 25, this will also be 25. Opposite sides are always equal. So if one side is not given, that means the opposite sides are equal. If this is 25, this will also be 25. This is 48, this complete will also be 48. Okay, this will be 48. And like this, you can find the perimeter of the parallelogram. Just look here, I have done it here. What is the perimeter of the parallelogram? Twice of length plus breadth. What is the length? 25. What is the breadth? 48. Whatever is inside the bracket, solve it first and then answer will come. Okay. Now to find the area of a parallelogram, what is the formula? Base into height. Now if you will see in the figure, if you are going to see this in the figure, you will see base is there 48, but height is not there. And I have told you that height is always perpendicular with the base. I need to find this height. To find this height, I will be drawing this. It is like this. This is 48. Okay. This is also 48. This much is given to me 7 centimeters and this value is given to me 25 centimeters. This line is making perpendicular with the base. What is the area of a parallelogram? Base into height. Base I have, which is 48, but height I don't have. So to find this height, I am going to apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Let us see in this now. What is the solution? See, by Pythagoras theorem in this triangle AEB, in triangle AEB, AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square. What is the value of AB? 25 whole square. What is the value of AE? 7 whole square. BE square you need to find. Square of 25 is 625. Square of 49 is 49. BE square as it is. 49 will go to the other side. It will change to minus. When you will subtract it, you will be getting 576. And 576 is the square of 24. So, square cancelled with square. The value of this BE is how much? 24. Now, you have got to know what is the height. You have got to know what is the base. Apply here. Base into height. You will be getting the answer. Okay. Now, let's do the B part. Now, in the B part, again, two sides are given to you. 8.9, 5.3, these two values are given to you. You need to find the perimeter and the area. If you will see, height is already given to you. This perpendicular, this sign means it is making an angle of 90 degree with the base. So this is base and this is height. So what is the area? Base into height. What is base? 8.9. What is height? 4.1. Multiply it, you will be getting the answer. What is the perimeter? Sum of all sides or twice of length plus breadth. Keep the values, you will be getting the answer. Similarly, C part you will be doing by yourself. If you will see in this question, this part, this is the height given. Base is this, height is this. So what will be the area? Base into height. What is the base? 7.2. What is the height? 8. Place the values, you will be getting the answer. Perimeter you know how to find. You will be doing it. Okay. Let's do question number 5. Now question number 5 is find the area of the rectangular slab. Now area of rectangular slab means you have to find the area of rectangle. You have to find the area of a slab which is in the form of a rectangle, whose dimensions are 180 by 60. That means length and breadth is already given to you. So which is, what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. What is the length? 180 centimeters. What is the breadth? 60 centimeters. Multiply them, you will be getting the answer. Okay, let's do question number 6. Rohan has made a square puzzle mat of length 45 centimeters. Now there is one boy, Rohan, who has made a puzzle mat like this. Puzzle mat of length 45. Square shape it is. Mat is of this square shape. And the length, that means one side of the square is 45 and all the sides of a square are equal. So this is 45, this will also be 45, this will be 45, this will be 45. What is the area of square? You have to find the area. What is the area? Side square. What is the side given? 45 centimeters. 45 centimeters means you are going to multiply this 45 centimeters twice. Centimeter into centimeter means centimeter square. 45 when multiplied twice will give you 2025, and this is the answer. Okay, so this is your question number 6. Now let's do question number 7. Now in this question number 7, this figure in the book is already given to you. This figure is of question number 7. Okay, so don't get confused with this figure, whether this is of question 7 or 8. This is of question number 7. Okay, now let us see this. The area of a parallelogram ABCD is 63 centimeters square. Now the area of this complete figure is given to you 63 centimeters. Side AB is 9 and the height FC. This is the height FC which is given 5 centimeters. You have to find the side AD. Also the height corresponding to the side AB. You have to find the height of this. You have to find this AE. And then also you have to find the perimeter. Now let us do one by one all the parts. Now area of parallelogram is equals to what? Base into height. What is the area of parallelogram already given? This also you need to find. Okay. And this is AE. This is AE. Now area of a parallelogram is 63. Base into height. Now if you have to find this height, if you have to find this AD, that means this is the base. On this base, this 5 centimeters is the height. If I'm going to take this as base, this will be the height. And what is the height? 5. So if this is 5, AD I need to find. So I'm going to place this 5 in the denominator. This will come out to be 12.6. So if this is 12.6, this will also be 12.6. So the value of AD is how much? 12.6. The second one is that you have to find the value of this AE. Now this is the height you have to find, and this height is on the base DC. So now let us do here. Area of parallelogram is always equals to base into height. What is the area? 63 centimeters square. Now if I have to find this height, for this height my base is this CD, which is how much? 9 centimeters. This is already given. So base I am going to keep here 9 centimeters into height. I need to find height, which is AE. Now this 9 is in multiply with the height. 9 will go to the other side. 63 upon 9 equals to height, which is AE. And 9 ones are 9 sevens are 63. So the value of this will come out to be 7. So this value AE is how much? 7 centimeters. Okay. So 2 parts we have done. The third part is you have to find the perimeter. And to find the perimeter, what is the formula? Twice of length plus breadth. What is length? 12.6. What is breadth? 9. Place the values, you will be getting the answer. And this is your question number 7. Okay. Now question number 8 and question number 2 we will be doing afterwards. Complete the notebook. Thank you.